Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced that the controversial caste survey report, scheduled for cabinet discussion on January 16, would be postponed. The Socio-Economic and Education Survey, widely called the caste census, has sparked debates within and outside the ruling Congress party. Siddaramaiah stated, "We were supposed to table the report, but now we will table it in the next cabinet meeting."
ನಾಳೆ ಮಂಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದು ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಾರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಳೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವಿರೋಧ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚರ್ಚೆನೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಚರ್ಚೆ ಊಹಾಪೋಹಗಳು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾವ ಅಂಕಿಅಂಶನೂ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
The Karnataka State Commission for Backward Classes conducted this survey in 2014 and 15 under K. Jayaprakash Hegde, involving 1,60,000 personnel, including 1,33,000 teachers at a cost of rupees 160 crore. Home Minister G. Parameshwara stressed transparency, urging public access to the report's details. IT/BT Minister Priyank Kharge clarified it is a socio-economic survey, not a caste census, emphasizing the need to assess its scientific rigor.
Nobody knows what is in the report, what are the findings of the report. Let it be tabled in the cabinet whenever it is scheduled, and then we can discuss on it. When we don't know what is in the report, it would not be right on my part to comment on it.
But the news is that the OBCs are upset. Upper caste leaders have put pressure on the High Command to stall.
See, for what is the reason for stalling? There needs a valid reason for stalling. Right? We don't even know what is there in the report.
Why so many apprehensions?
How does anybody know what is there in the report?
No, it's been more than 6 months in the report is submitted, sir. But it's still not seen the day of the report.
No, it's been more than a year and a half, more than 2 years since the report has been done. If the BJP was keen on doing it, they could have seen what is there in the report and been done with it. But they also did not bother. We are now trying to see what is there in the report, and we will do it when the time comes. Eventually, our Honorable CM will place it before the cabinet, and the cabinet will take the right decision. But when we don't know how the survey is done, how scientific it is, what is in it, how can we comment on that?
Sir, MP Patel says if the Lingayat population doesn't add up to 65 lakhs, then it shows that the report is not scientific.
See, every community will have their own way of determining their castes and communities, right? And I might have some apprehensions about the thing, but is that scientific, unscientific? We will get to know only when we open the report, when we study the report. That itself has not happened.
Industries Minister M.B. Patil said caste enumeration is a central matter and called for cohesion in sub-caste data.
We don't know what is inside the caste census, what they have done. First of all, there cannot be caste census. Caste census can be only done by the Government of India. It is not census, it is an exercise, survey. So accordingly, as per the Lingayat community is concerned, we have said there are many subcastes into Lingayat subset. Many subsects have written it as Hindu Ganika, Hindu Sadru, Hindu Banijga, Hindu Reddy, Hindu Malgar, so that. But these are all Lingayat sub-communities. Just because of the reservation, if they have registered as Hindu Malgar or Hindu Ganika, doesn't mean that they are not Lingayats. They should be counted. When you count them, the real picture will come. That exercise has to be done. You have all the subcaste, whatever, respect of whatever they have written. We know very well, everybody knows they are all Lingayat subcaste, and they have to bring under one roof and count them.
So
that is my demand.
Saying that it's not scientifically done.
I don't know. I have not seen.
Many top leaders.
When it is not opened, how can you say it is not scientifically done? If it is correct, we have no issues. If it is not correct, we'll tell the Honorable CM should set it right.
So major opposition is coming from Lingayats and Vokaligas, and that is what the BJP.
Naturally, I also saw in a leading newspaper yesterday that Lingayats they have been mentioned 65 lakhs. If whether this 65 lakhs is included by counting all this, what I've said, then it is okay. If they're not counted them, then it is the wrong thing.
So where is the fear stemming from, sir? The government hasn't released the report, so where is the fear
That's
stemming
what,
from?
I don't know. You media should tell. Honorable Chief Minister said that he'll open it in the cabinet.
Sir, we heard that Lingayat community seniors have also given representative to you that to oppose the report, sir.
No, the question of, Virisha Mahasabha is independent. All are independent. I cannot talk on behalf of them. They have got their right. But what my stand, and I've talked to Ishwar Country also, all the Limgai subsect, irrespective of whatever they have written because of the reservation, because Ganika gets 2A, Sadharu gets 2A, Banijga gets 2A, Lingayat Reddy's gets, the Hindu Reddy, if they get 3A, Hindu Malgar, they get 2A. For that purpose, if they have written, and if they are not counted, then it will become a great injustice to the Lingayat community. They have to be counted. And if they have been counted, and if that comes to 65 lakhs, we'll agree. If they have not been counted, they have to be counted. They have to be born under one.
Leaked 2018 findings suggesting smaller Lingayat and Okkaliga population caused backlash. The All India Veera Shaiva Mahasabha led by Congress MLA Shamanur Shivashankarappa called the survey unscientific, demanding a resurvey. Deputy CM D.K. Shivkumar, representing Okkaliga, signed a memorandum to reject the report and reassured community leaders of their interests. Dalit and OBC groups demand the report's release, arguing delays hurt efforts to address inequalities. Leader of opposition R. Ashoka criticized Siddaramaiah for using the report as a political tool, while JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy accused him of degrading dominant communities, urging focus on identifying poor welfare beneficiaries. The lack of consensus highlights the challenge of balancing socio-economic data with political and community interests.